Stretch every day. Stretching is super important for your body. You should do it every day, both before and after you exercise. This helps your muscles and makes your body more flexible. In this video, I'll explain what happens when you stretch every day. So be sure to watch it until the end. Let's get started! When you stretch after doing strength training, it makes your workout more effective. Stretching before you exercise lowers the chance of injuring yourself. Not everyone can go to the gym regularly, but you can do stretching at home. You can choose how long and how hard you want to stretch, so it's something most people can do. Just make sure to follow some easy rules and do it the right way. The importance of stretching. Stretching is important for everyone, not just athletes. It helps keep your muscles healthy and prevents problems. Athletes do it to improve their strength. When your muscles are stretchy, they can handle more stress and recover faster after exercise. Some people notice that their strength doesn't increase during workouts. To avoid this, it's a good idea to stretch after exercising. Stretching doesn't just make your muscles more flexible, it also reduces the risk of injuries. It helps your muscles, ligaments, and tendons work better. It also improves blood flow, which means more oxygen in your blood. Stretching can make you feel happier and more energetic because it releases hormones and adds oxygen to your blood. Stretching your legs is particularly useful. It reduces the risk of blood clots and varicose veins, as it helps blood flow evenly to your limbs. So, stretching is good for your body in many ways. Stretching is something you can do before or after you exercise. Before your workout, stretching is a good idea, especially if you're lifting heavy weights, to prevent muscle injuries. The strength of your muscles depends on how flexible they are. Muscles that can stretch more tend to be stronger. When you do strength exercises regularly, your muscles can get shorter, and this can make your strength level stop improving. This happens when your muscles aren't flexible enough. To avoid this issue, it's important to stretch, especially after your workout. Stretching makes your muscles more flexible and longer, which helps make you stronger. It can also improve your posture and straighten your back. So, stretching is a good way to keep your body in good shape. Stretching has some great benefits for your body. When you stretch, you use muscles that don't get much action in everyday life, which helps to get rid of any stiffness. Stretching also makes your muscles more flexible, and that can make your movements look more graceful, balanced, and coordinated. It gives you a better sense of balance and coordination. Stretching is also good for burning fat. It boosts your metabolism and releases hormones into your blood. This, along with more oxygen in your blood, can help burn fat. So, if you want to maintain a beautiful body and reduce fat without lifting heavy weights, stretching is a good option, especially if you have health limitations for weightlifting. And hey, don't forget to check out other videos on this channel. See you soon!